Hello. So PostNitro's Node V2 version is now live on n8n. Let's just search for it here. Okay. Since I'm in my local environment, you can see that this is showing up here, for the local build. But this is the verified node. You would probably be seeing this, hopefully. So if you go into the node, you can see that we've added so many actions now. So now it is not just about content creation now, it's about content scheduling as well. And you can create a single action now, which creates the content, schedules it for all of your social accounts. Oh, I would need to install the node, sorry. Install node. Okay, so the node is now installed. Now I can add this to this project. And if I go into, and now if I choose the topic one, okay, the difference now from the earlier version was that you would actually need to paste all of these here, the template ID, brand ID, preset, and everything. This required a lot of manual work. But now, since they've also upgraded their own packages, you can now simply just choose them from the drop down here. Please make sure to name them properly. I've just named them randomly. So that's why they are showing up like this. So let's just choose this. Okay. For the branding, let's go for this one. Okay, presets. I have this one preset. Okay, for a requester ID is an optional field, but you can set it up for, filtering and checking out where the request actually came from. Let's just choose n8n. Okay. And the response type. Now we've also added a design. In case you are scheduling a post, you do not need to, get the output as either a PNG or PDF. You can simply just choose the design option. Okay. Which just renders the design on our web editor. And that's it. Okay. And now, since we are on the generation step, okay, you can also either from the link, add here. So like, for example, if you are pulling in data from your Airtable, you can add it here. But for this example, let's just type in something here. Okay, let's see the kind of thing it builds. Okay. And you can also add additional instructions for the AI to analyze and, make this content more aligned towards you. And also, this is a new option, generate AI images. So you could initially, create AI images using the web editor, but now this is a toggle option here. So if you enable this, you would need to provide the image context. Okay. What this post is about. And the other option is where to place the images and the image strategy. Do you want it for all of the slides? Okay. Or just for the slide, the AI feels like this slide needs an image, either the background or an inline image. You can add these options here. You can add the same image context from your previous step here as well. Or you can type in something that you feel is right for this post. So for example, let's just close this. Okay. So my account is now, so my node is now completely set up. Okay. I can execute this step. Oh, sorry, sir. I think since it's linked to this, it's causing an issue. Let's just play this. Okay, so the node's completed. Let's just see the results. Okay, you can see that this is the same response that you get from our APIs and say now. Okay, this post is also saved as a design and it is completed. And here's the editor URL. Let's just make this a scheduled post. Okay, let's go back here, PostNitro, and then create a scheduled post or draft. So this is the information that's coming in from the previous step. Okay. The status needs to be draft. When do I want this post to go out? I can do this for tomorrow though, or today. Today is the 22nd. Okay. And then the design ID. Design ID is basically this one. Let's just try again. Okay, it worked now. Let's say, okay. And then the post captions. Common is the one that goes out for all of the accounts. Okay. Whether you've selected any social account, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, use the same one. Or if you want the messaging to be different for each of them, like in the middle, if you added your own AI agent that processes the post, okay, you can ask it to create different variations for all of these post content. So I'm just going to use common and then type in MFJ like this, hello world. And then again, the social accounts, you no longer need to paste the social account IDs here. You can just simply choose them from the dropdown. Okay. We move on, this one. And let's go for PostNitro's account as well. Okay. Add platform settings. Okay. So yes, for the selected social accounts, I would need to add settings like for LinkedIn. Okay. We've already provided the pre-filled information here, so you can just edit this. Like for example, if you're posting as a document, like you can post as a document which comes off as a PDF carousel, okay, and then it is multi-images, which is multi-image post, okay, and the single image or video, but video isn't supported right now here. Okay, so let's just go for post title. Okay, so we have all of this information here. Okay, let's execute this step and hope for the failed execute step. Okay, so we've just got a response. The post was saved as a draft. Okay, you can see all of the information here. Let's just make this a JSON. Okay, so all of this information you can see came in from PostNitro. Now let's actually find this post. Okay, so I've actually found the post now. Here it is. This post was created using the n8n node. Okay, if I go here, you can see that this is the post now that we got. Okay, and now if I go back to the planner section, I can see that the post is scheduled here right now. So this information is now saved, and you can now simply schedule this post. And you can now also update this post. So this is our workflow now. This can actually be a single action. Okay, we generate the content. The single action is basically a node like this. Go here, then you post with AI and schedule it. So this is a node, okay, for a single action that creates the post and also schedules it for all of your social accounts. The input options are the same as you were seeing earlier. When we had actually split those up in different nodes based on your needs. But this single action would do everything for you. Okay, you would need to fill in this information. Okay, and then that's it. So these two can be combined into this. Okay. Thank you. Now looking forward to seeing how you use this node now. Take care. Bye bye.